Hello everyone. Today I would like to introduce you to Smart4D Tool, a feature within Baxel Manager that provides an integrated 4D and 5D approach. This tool enables the rapid creation of basic schedules by automatically linking activities to various model structures based on their classification. To begin using the Smart4D tool in Baxel Manager, we first need to start with the creation of the cost editor, as you can see over here. The cost editor, it utilizes master format and uni-format cost classification codes. Briefly, master format is a standardized coding system for organizing construction specifications, while uni-format is a system for classifying building elements based on their functions. For example, if we take a look at B10, 20, 150, which is the steel columns that is in our own project, by double-clicking, over here, we have the general tab, which we are able to insert the daily output, quantity type, quantity unit, and if there's any material, labor, supplement cost, equipment cost, other cost, or subcontractor cost. In the resource tab, we are able to define the labor, equipment, and material resources that is relevant to this exact cost item. Once the cost is linked to the model, as you can see over here, we have a detailed cost breakdown for the whole project. For example, we have total material cost, total labor cost, equipment cost, other costs, general markup cost, subcontractor cost, total cost, and base construction cost. With the cost linked, we can now proceed with the Smart4D tool. In the Smart4D, we have two tools. We have zone editor and we have a methodology editor. The zone editor over here, we are able to define the spatial distribution of the building. So if I click over here, as you can see, we are able to define the spatial distribution. For example, if we have zones, if we have plots, if we have levels, in our case, we have stages. So we have 6 stages. We're able to define those stages and the sequence that we want them to be. And within each stage, we have a relationship. We can change the relationship type in this tab over here. We have finish to start, start to start, start to finish, and finish to finish. In addition, if we have any types of lag, if we have a working hours, days, hours, or duration, we are able to put the lag. In addition, we have methodology editor. In this tab over here, we are able to define the activity sequence of our model. For example, we are able to only link from the cost editor that we have just created, as you can see over here. So we link those uni-format codes, and we're able to construct an activity sequence for the whole project. And we're able to define many level WBS. For example, we have this is the first level. If you double click on any item, we have also the second level of it. In this way, we are able to define many level WBS. Once done with the methodology editor, we can now go to the creation template, where over here, we are telling the software the hierarchy of our WBS. For example, I want to see first of all the stages. So I go to the zone level, I select the stage, and then after it, I want to see the methodology editor. So I want to see the methodology level 1 and then level 2. In this way, we are telling the software how we want to see our WBS. Once done, we create a new schedule. Let's call it trial. And from the creation wizard, we are able to generate a schedule directly from the creation template. As you can see, we have our schedule and our Gantt chart along with it. Once everything is set in the schedule, we are able to export all the data. Over here, we're able to export data to MS Project, Primavera, as well as to Excel sheets. Once the data is exported to Excel, we are now able to generate Power BI dashboards. In our case, we have generated Power BI for the earned value analysis, as you can see over here. These are all from the Excel sheet from the Baxel Manager itself. So we are able to see the cost performance index by months and the SPI, schedule performance index, as well as the ACEV and PV with respect to the date. In addition, we have the planned percentage, actual percentage, and all the required data for the earned EVA. In addition, we have created a planned versus actual Power BI where we are able to visually see the planned versus actual progress for a specific date. For example, you have over here the planned progress and the actual progress. You have the planned and the actual start and finish dates, in addition to the planned cost per date and the actual cost per day. Thank you so much for watching, and I look forward for your questions and your feedback.